Simplify, letters. Well, we have ourselves a 2 by 3 matrix that we're multiplying to a 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, 2 rows, 3 columns, 3 rows, 2 columns. This will be defined because the inside numbers are the same, and we'll end up getting a 2 by 2. So that's what we're going to get, a 2 by 2 where stuff really isn't going to combine, maybe at all. So I'm going to make this a big matrix, and if it's too big, then it's too big. I'm going to split this up. I'm going to split this up, and I'm sure that's plenty of room. But what we do is we take the first matrix, split it up by the row, and try to not cut anything in half. And then you take the second matrix, split it up by columns, like that, much better. Okay, now we have 3 elements in each row column combination. So we multiply the first element plus multiply the second elements plus multiply the third elements plus. So 6u times negative 3u is negative 18u squared plus 2u and 6u is 12u squared, so these do combine, plus u squared and negative 6u is going to be negative 6u cubed. So a little bit of combining is going to happen, so we're not done yet. We're not in the clear. All right. First row, second column. 6u times 1, 6u. 2u times 3v is going to be plus 6uv. And u squared times v is going to be plus u squared v. No combining there. Second row, first column, uv times negative 3u is going to be negative 3u squared v. V squared times 6uv is going to be 6uv squared. Negative 2 times negative 6u, negative 2v squared times negative 6u is going to be plus 12uv squared. A little bit of combining. uv times 1 is uv. V squared times 3v is plus 3v squared, cubed. Negative 2 times v squared times v is going to be negative 2 times v cubed. So all it is now is just combining like terms in each row / column. All right. So these two combine to make negative 6u squared minus 6, was that u to the third? U to the third. Okay, might have to scooch this over just a little bit to give myself plenty of space. And I'll do different colors to make sure that this is clear. None of these combine, so 6u plus 6uv plus u squared v. Negative 3u squared v combines with none of them. But the 6uv squared and the 12uv squared make 18uv squared. And then we have uv, which combines with nothing. And we have 3v cubed minus 2v cubed is regular 1v cubed. Ooh.